So Corsair has dropped the Vanguard Air 99 wireless keyboard. Now in this video, we'll be unboxing the keyboard, checking out what's inside, as well as setting everything up using Corsair's web hub. So today we'll be unboxing the newest keyboard from Corsair. This is the Vanguard Air 99 wireless optical mechanical gaming keyboard from Corsair. Now this keyboard has the OPX low profile switches, which is pretty cool. Now they say that these switches can detect actuations at the speed of light, so that's pretty cool. Like, let's do a timer for how many time I can say that's pretty cool in this video. You guys let me know down in the comments. Get the safety manual, comes standard in all of the Corsair products. We got the cable here. Now these are going to be the keycaps for the programmable Stream Deck keys, and they seem to have more than one. Ooh, there is a lot more in here. Nice. Let's put that right here to the side. Let's take this keyboard out and see what else it has here. Yep, there's the rest of these keycaps. That's nice. Now let's get this pesky dongle that's evaded me. Now this is a dongle that comes with a wireless keyboard. Now let's go ahead and reveal the main star of this unboxing. Already it showcases some cool things, man. So these are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 programmable keys for the Stream Deck integration. That's so dope. Ooh-wee! If you think this is sleek, I can't wait to get my hands on a white one. Let's look how beautiful this is. It's super light. You got your full numpads. Up here, this is gonna be your Elgato Stream Deck integration key, so you can go ahead and push this button to launch your virtual Stream Deck. Kind of nice. And you can't forget, this is an aluminum frame keyboard. Of course, this is the 1.9-inch LCD display. Also comes with a nice rotary knob. And don't forget that this display, you can load up to 20 GIFs, as well as over 250 images. Let's take a look at the back. You can see my fingerprints a little bit, right? I guess you can hardly see my fingerprints. So the frame is aluminum, while the bottom, the base is not. You got your kickstands. Here you have your dongle where you can operate this thing wirelessly. You can switch between Windows or Mac. Of course, you have the USB-C input, and you can swap between Bluetooth or operating this thing wirelessly. Now this keyboard comes with the smooth and hyper fast OPX switches. These are the new optical switches from Corsair that detects actuation at the speed of light, which is really fascinating. Now if you guys made it this far in the video, make sure you guys go ahead and like, subscribe, and let me know down in the comments what is your favorite feature of this keyboard, and let's go ahead and set this bad boy up in Corsair's web hub. Now this video is sponsored by Corsair, so if you're thinking about grabbing yourself this keyboard, make sure you guys go ahead and use the link down in the description, as well as use code Trevoir at checkout. Now back to the video. Alright, so let's go ahead and set up this keyboard. So to the bottom right section of the keyboard, you'll see device settings. You go ahead and click on that. That way you can go ahead and check for updates. So if you're noticing that nothing's working correctly, make sure you go ahead and double check and update your firmware using this option. Now if you look over to the top left of the screen, you'll see remaining battery life of your keyboard, and of course which keyboard profile that you're currently on. Now for this one, you'll see the lighting effects. It's pretty much the same way we set up the Galleon 100 SD. You can go ahead and click between whichever setting that you want and customize your keyboard lighting this way. So for me, let's go back and bring the camera back. You'll see that everything turned to gold for me. You can go ahead and customize your keyboard further using the assignments function. So if you want to go ahead and dive deep into this, you can go ahead and do so. But for me, I'm going to personally keep everything the same, so I don't need to do any crazy changes on my keyboard. And same for the rotary dial. I'm just really surprised that the rotary dial got some love, so that's pretty cool. There's some volume control, keyboard brightness control, macro recording, vertical scrolling, horizontal scrolling, and zoom. Now for you gamers out there who want to go ahead and customize your keyboard even further, you can go ahead and do so using the flash tap section. There's also the game mode, so I can go ahead and toggle that on. Alright, so game mode is toggled on and everything is completely in red, so I can't even click on the Windows key, so that's pretty cool. So for you gamers out there who are worried about accidentally clicking the Windows key while you're gaming, you can just go ahead and enable game mode and that would not happen. So there you have it. That's the full unboxing of the Vanguard Air 99 wireless keyboard and set up using the Corsair's web hub. If you guys have any questions, let me know down in the comments, and of course if you guys are planning to get yourself this keyboard, use the link down in the description and make sure you guys use code Trevoir at checkout. Now I also did notice in the unboxing that a keycap puller wasn't included, so if you have multiple keyboards like myself, that shouldn't be a major problem, but let's keep that in mind. And of course guys, if you like the content, make sure you guys go ahead, leave a like, subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.